Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again in this video I'll show you how can you fix the slow loading process of your Google Chrome. So I'm starting up the system. This is completely fresh. You can see the startup screen, and I'm going to keep this video long because I want to show you the actual real process. I'm not going to cheat you in front of the camera. That's why this video is on cam. Okay, so it might be a long video, but it would worth it. So be patient and see the solution how to fix the slow process. So it might happen because of system architecture, maybe if it's slow or whatever the reason is. But actually, if I show you, my computer system is Intel Core i5 with 7th generation. It also has GeForce 940 MX graphics card, but it is not that kind of fast because I don't know, it's not that much great in terms of performance. But yeah, so here I'm going to open the Google Chrome in front of you, and then after I'll show you what is the actual problem with this. So I have clicked over this Google Chrome, and here we have the interface. Right now it's blank screen and it's loading. So the normal Google Chrome doesn't take that much time like this, and that pops up very fast and without any problem. But you can see what is the actual problem with this. And even if I click over the search bar, you can see it's not responding. Whatever I'm typing, like just this, it's not appearing over the search tab. So this is the actual problem where it lags and it doesn't work properly. I mean, it's completely unfunctional. Its behavior is not that particular or like it's supposed to be. It's not performing like that. So still you can see this is like this. So how to bypass this kind of error, or you can see the lagginess? To do that, what you have to do, let's see. For that, you need to come to this right top over here, 3 dot icon, then come down to the setting. Okay, now one more important thing that you need to keep in mind: if your laptop, well, this kind of error doesn't actually appears in desktop based system, because that have the very high and I mean very particular designed system. So this kind of problem doesn't arises on that kind of system. But as it's a laptop, it has some limitations, like it is not that much perfect like desktop based system. So yes, so after getting into the setting, you need to come down to this advanced option, click over this, and if your laptop supports a graphics card, it must be turned on by itself, like use hardware acceleration when available. So if it is turned on, make sure you turn it off. But if you don't want to turn it off, you need to make changes under the graphics card panel. Okay, so your choice is do it from here or from there. So I would recommend you to not to mess up with this with the settings which is available under the Nvidia. So I would recommend you to turn it off from right over here there. So you can see it actually says Nvidia display settings are not available right now. Maybe some sort of error is in background. So I'm just going to turn it off right over here, and then going to click over relaunch. Okay, so here we have the interface back again. So whatever I type right now, it is going to work fine. But what is the actual result after next startup? So I'm going to turn it off once again, so you will be able to see the fresh setting, the fresh load up I mean the fresh startup process of Google Chrome. Okay, so now the system is about to turn off. It has, okay, so it's now completely down. I'm going to turn it back on. Okay, so here we have the fresh startup now, and now we will see how this is going to perform this time, because we have turned it off, the hardware acceleration, and it's supposed to work fine without any problem. So here we are logged into the setting. So this solution might work with your system or might not be, but it's better to give it a try, because if it's a nightmare, it's better to try. Okay, so it's kind of stuck in between welcome. Okay, so here we have the welcome screen, I mean desktop. Okay, so this time I'm going to open Google Chrome. Here I clicked over this, and let's see. So immediately I'm going to click over the URL box, and then we will see by typing anything that it's working or not. So it is taking, so you can see it's clearly blinking over there. So I'm just going to type now, and it's working fine. So this is how you can fix if your Google Chrome is lagging or it's not functioning properly. And this is the actual fix that I found myself, and